Hey everybody, just going to introduce you guys to the new AIM feature that we've developed that is AI insurance matching. So we're going to walk through today a little bit of the workflows coming from e-registration as well as a workflow in the PM itself through the document management tab. So to start here, we're going to look at the e-registration, the patient intake form. We're just going to go ahead and work to grab a slot for the clinic. I'm entering my basic demographic details here. And on the next page here, you'll see I'm going to indicate that we would like to pay for this visit using insurance. I'm then going to upload a driver's license. And next, I'm going to show uploading a primary insurance card. And just to note, this does also work with secondary insurance. And we have some optical character recognition running. So as we see on the next page here, it's gotten that information off the insurance card, the name, the member ID, and the group number, and auto-populated that for the patient. Similarly, we see it here with the street address that we pulled from the driver's license. So a little bit less data entry for the patient when they're processing their visit. Just going to go ahead and finish the rest of this e-registration form, crossing my T's, dotting my I's, and we'll see we have a spot in line now. So switching over to the PM, I'll see that visit has come through on the logbook. I'm going to go ahead and log that visit. We'll do the patient verification step. In this case, they were an existing patient, so I'll click there, and we see the alert saying that the patient has added insurance. So navigating to their patient billing page, we'll see here we now have the AIM insurance alert. So just confirming that a primary insurance match was found. We're going to go ahead and hit add. It's going to prompt us to import the insurance. We agree. And we'll see the field mapping at work again here. So the member ID as well as the policy or group number that was recorded off of the insurance card has been auto-populated into these payer information fields for the user. Similarly, the policyholder information has also been populated for the user that came in from e-registration. One thing to note here for the AIM alert, the name and address fields for that insurance payer, those were auto-populated for the user and the search was also conducted for them. So if the front desk verifies that that insurance does look correct, all they need to do is click add. If they disagree with the insurance suggestion, that's okay. They can click the clear button. It will remove those auto-populated fields and they can just do a manual payer search as they do today. So the next workflow that we're going to explore here is via the document management tab. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. We'll hit the scan upload button. The AIM feature does require the user to indicate that they're uploading an insurance card. So you can select the primary or secondary insurance card, but you do need to indicate that. I'll grab an image of my insurance card here. In this case, a secondary insurance card is what I've indicated. We see that saved into doc management. We go back to patient billing. I click on the secondary insurance tab in this case, and we see another AIM payer suggestion alert. So again, the user just needs to verify that that looks correct. They'll also set the payer priority in this case to 2 since it was secondary insurance. And when it gets added, we'll see that the member ID as well as the policy and group number were auto-imported. The user will need to set the effective date. And in this case, since it came in from document management, you're not prompted to enter any address information or social security number information, anything like that. So the front desk users will populate that for the doc management workflow. And I go up and save, and voila, we see the new payer records on file for that patient. So just to recap, here's how AI insurance matching can help your clinic. Your patients will check in faster, your staff will spend less time fixing mistakes, and it'll be easier for your clinics to get paid right from the start. So thanks again for watching, and we just can't wait to see the results you'll achieve with AI insurance matching.